Hi everybody, it's Kelly, and today I've been just going around on my Play Store app on my phone, and I found this one game called Undertale Jigsaw Puzzle. So I wanted to make a video doing the puzzle. Yeah, let's play it. Okay, what do we got here? Dream? Is this all the puzzles? Let's start with, how about dream? Okay, should we do, how many puzzles? Like, how many pieces? I guess, let's do 70. Okay guys, another ad came, but, I took that thing down so you didn't need to see it. It's okay. So this is, okay, let's put Dream together. Let's try this piece. Does that piece go there? Okay. This is Dream's face. I guess that goes there. Okay, let's start with the bottom first. Does the piece go here? Wait. It goes right here, doesn't it? Yep. Yay, got it. Okay. This is probably a top piece. I know where this one fits. I'm very good at puzzles. This one looks like a top piece. I'm gonna put that at the top for now. Oh, that's part of Dream's head. Oh, I found two pieces. Is this a piece for Dream? The face? Kinda looks like it. Okay, this is part of Dream's crown. This one is two. Does this one go here? Yeah! Okay. So that one goes, like, near there. What? Oh, okay, cool. That piece doesn't go there. See? Where's that piece go? Okay, shut up! Shut up! I'm doing a video!
Sorry. It's Papa's birthday.
I know that! Okay. Sorry guys, that was my cousin. Let's continue with this puzzle. Looks like some of the pieces are missing from the thing. That one doesn't fit. There we go. This one looks like a side piece. This also does. Wait, this fits. There you go. We need another Dream face. Can we not find another piece for Dream? Oh, I found it. There we go. We'll have this finished in no time. More galaxy pictures. There we go. This one's another bottom piece. I think this one goes here. What about this one? Nailed it. That looks like a bottom piece. I'm not sure. This is another bottom piece, but that doesn't fit. That one does. There we go. This one's a side piece. This one goes there. This one's a top piece, but it doesn't fit anywhere. Oh, it does. I found it. Okay. This galaxy piece fits there. This one's a top piece, but I don't think... Does it fit? No, it doesn't. Okay, okay, neither of those pieces fit. Wait, I found it. I think I found it. There we go. This piece fits somewhere. Where does this piece fit? Nope, that doesn't fit. Wait, give me this piece. Is that piece? No, that's part of dream though. Wait. Found one. I think I found another one. There we go. No. Here's another piece. Bottom. This one's the top. That one doesn't fit though. This one. There we go. I think this one fits here. Right here. Yep. Is there any more pieces of dream? Where does this one go? No. What piece is that? Isn't that part of dream? Okay. Let's keep looking. We're still missing a peep for his face. Found something. Got it. This one goes here? No. That looks like it would be. Okay, that's confusing. Nope. Where does that one go? I have no clue. That's the top. Wait, what? I think I'm doing something wrong. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Ah, I didn't want that piece. No. Okay. I found the bottom piece. I think. Does it not fit? No, it fits right here. Nope. Got it. Oh. Part of his hand. Give me this piece. No. No, this one. This one fits there. There. This one fits here. No, it doesn't. Where does that one fit? No. Okay. Get more bottom pieces. And top piece. This one fits here. Does this one not fit there? No, it's too small or too big. Here's the other top piece. I don't know where this piece though. Does that fit not there? Where does that piece go? Maybe it's too many puzzle pieces. I don't know. No, that looked like it would fit there, but it doesn't. Oh, I found one. No. Is that part of his face? What? Okay, something looks off. Oh, that's because that piece doesn't fit there. What the heck? Where did that other piece go? Oh, it fits there? This one fits then. This one fits here. What was happening? I don't know. Okay, let's keep going. It looks like no, this will fit there. Okay. There? No. There. No. Give me this piece. There. It looks like it's part of dream, is it? Found it! Oh, I was looking for this one. This piece, I don't know where this piece goes. Oh wait, I think I found it. Got it! Is this his face? Yup. Where does this piece go? Does it go there? No? It's part of dream though. No. No. Oh, those pieces fit. Got it. I'm missing one part on his head. I'm not talking about that. Oh, I found it. Does this one fit? No. What? Oh, that piece doesn't fit there. Oh, okay. That makes sense. No, those pieces don't fit. Okay. This one fits. There we go. This is part of Dream, but I don't know what part. No. I'll just fit it right there because it's part of the galaxy. No. Oh, those two pieces fit. This is part of Dream. It doesn't go anywhere, does it? No, anything doesn't fit. Oh, that, okay. I found it. Well, no. I did. Okay. What is this piece? Is this piece? Okay. This piece? No, it doesn't. Oh, that one does. There. No, that doesn't fit. There. Yeah, we're almost done. Okay, where does this one go? Doesn't fit there. Or there. Oh, it fits here. Where's this piece go? Found it. That's part of a scarf. No, it doesn't fit. No, what? There we go. There. 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 And there. Nailed it! Another ad came on, guys. But look at this, I finished. Let's go back. Okay, so if there's any other puzzle you want me to do, like Sands or Dream again, but just different pieces, or just Sands and Papyrus, if you guys want me to do any of those, just write a comment down in the comment section. Bye!